clear. Mumbai is synonymous with the dreams. And when it comes to Miss, definitely the dreams are very high and powerful. Miss Mumbai, the city dream being crowned as Miss Mumbai is a dream of every young, beautiful woman. Here, along with me, along CEO, Miss Nishita Purandare, who is sitting with me here, also thinks that beauty, talent should get an opportunity here on this platform to perform. Along in coordination with You and I Entertainment by Mr. Harmeet Singh, here we are planning this Miss Mumbai. And the CEO, Miss Nishita Purandare, is also winner of Tiara India Miss Globe 2017, representing India on the platform of Miss Tourism Universe 2017 under the National Directorship of Rishikesh Nirajkar. Miss Mumbai is a beauty pageant which crowns the best of the Mumbai city beauties. The criteria of selection is definitely not only the vitals of the girls or the beauties. However, it definitely chooses the best 16 to walk the finale ramp, and there is no discrimination regarding the caste or the creed. Miss Mumbai, we have also invited applications as they applied for from suburbs. At the same time, from different states also, because Mumbai is metropolitan. We thought we will also give other states an opportunity to come here and perform for Miss Mumbai. Applicants from suburbs, they have come. Applicants from different states, they are participating. And Miss Mumbai 2017 shall be princess and the dream girl of the city. Our top 16 contestants were shortlisted on the basis of confidence. Definitely, I would like to mention here very clearly what we look for, that I am going to tell you. Confidence, followed by style, walk, presentation. Above all, most important, talent, and along with that, general knowledge. A beauty, what we personally feel along with the CEO and the founder, Mrs. Kriti Purandare, the beauty is not only looks, but beauty is also talent and knowledge. That's what I feel, we feel along with Mr. Harmeet Singh. Thus, Miss Mumbai 2017 is the alloy of beauty and brains, both put together. Miss Mumbai 2017 is a property of Along Events. The team at Along caters versatile events and hold rights to conduct Miss Mumbai. We work for our appealing audience as everybody looks forward to celebrate happiness together. The wide variety of fancy events is our forte to organize, from tall ceilings of striking lights to some energetic dance moves. The smiles on your faces is the reflection of presentation, be it corporate parties, birthdays, weddings to fashion shows. Along will deliver magnificent performance and take their finishing pose. Thank you. Am I supposed to call them?
Yes.
Welcome. I'm super excited about this new amazing pageant, Miss Mumbai, and I think it's been such a long time since you needed something like this. And what's so refreshing about this is that any girl from anywhere in India who's living in Mumbai today can enter. That's kind of amazing. So this is not about whether you're from the state, whether you're from the city, where you were born here. This is about finding talent across the whole of the demographic of India, which is amazing because we're going to get to see girls who are living here. And yeah, as you said, it's a land of dreams. Mumbai is a city of dreams, and I think it's a great thing to have another platform for girls to come here and go, well, you know what, I'm talented. And I've met the girls, the top 16, they're all very, very intelligent, they're very bright. And the one thing I did notice was that they're not what you would expect. And that's kind of, in the most positive way. Because, you know, you don't want the regular, what you want is the special. And I think that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to create something that's special, that creates a legacy that goes on for years to come. And perhaps, maybe one day, we may see one of Miss Mumbai's becoming a Miss India or a Miss World. You never know.
Thank you. You never know.
You never know. And, you know, I was having a great conversation with all of the girls, and I asked them all questions because, you know, everyone can be beautiful. But can you actually answer a question? And do you understand what we're saying? Do you understand? Now, I've been a part of a lot of beauty contests. I mean, Get Gorgeous at Channel V was probably the premier, if you like, modeling show on TV. I was lucky enough to host it as well as teach the girls how to walk, what grace meant. And I'm so proud that I've got girls that are working in the Indian industry and have gone international, and they're my girls. And I still meet them today and I go, yeah, you could still do this, and change that. You're always learning, you're always going to change, you're always going to be something. And the one thing I learned about these girls today is I gave them very candid approach of giving them advice. And they can choose to take it. You know, some girls were wearing these great big shoes, and someone's wearing this and that, and you're like, yes, you're new, you're 19 years old. But that's when you grow. And the great thing was that they all listened. So now they've been given the advice, and now when we come back on the 15th, is that right?
Yes.
The 15th is when the actual pageant is going ahead, and the 15th is the big day when we will crown the first ever Miss Mumbai. And I'm super excited about it, and I've been informed that I'm going to be on the judging panel, judging the girls. And I'm quite excited about that because I want to see who actually wins. Now that I've got a bet already. I've got my best bets, but I'm not going to tell you anything anymore. Unless when we get the girls out, maybe I'll point out one or two that I think might be somewhere. But maybe that's not fair. But what I'm going to do now is going to pass you on to the CEO, the gorgeous CEO. Have you ever seen a gorgeous CEO like this ever before? I've never seen a gorgeous CEO like this who's winning, you know, pageants herself. Well, here we go. Maybe she'll become Miss Universe. Who knows? I heard Miss Universe is down the road at the airport at the moment. So anything can happen. Should we get Miss Universe here? We don't need Miss Universe. We've got the CEO.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nishita Purandare, CEO of Elom, and I welcome you all to the press conference of Miss Mumbai 2017. Now we introduce our beautiful contestants in front of you.
So that's name, age, and where you're from. So I'm going to pass this to you now. Can you just pass it down? Let's start at the beginning.
Hi everybody, my name is Ayushi Sachdev. I'm 21 years old and I stay in Navi Mumbai.
Good evening people, I am Tanvi Mehta, age 22 and I am from Mumbai.
Hello everyone, I'm Pratika. I'm from Navi Mumbai and I'm 21. Hello everyone, this is Kiara Naidu. I am from Mumbai and I'm hello. Sorry, I'll just do it before.
What's your
Hello,
age?
I'm Kiara Naidu. I'm from Mumbai and my age is 21.
Good evening everyone, my name is Yashasvi. I am 21 years old and I am from Mumbai.
Hello everyone, my name is Anana Krishna. I'm 19 and I'm from Navi Mumbai, Kharghar.
Good evening ladies and gentlemen, I am Lindsay Thomas. I am 21 years old. I am from Ambernath. It's beyond Kalyan, so it's basically in Mumbai.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhi Avinash Hamnaskar.
I'm 21 and I'm from Thane.
Good evening everyone, I'm Maria Meryl Ferreira. I'm 22 and I'm from Mumbai.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ritika Sahai. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Navi Mumbai, Kharg.
Hello everyone, I am Simriti Bathija. I'm 18 years old and I stay in Kalyan. I've been studying in Mumbai and that's how I'm associated with Miss Mumbai. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Anjusha Saikya Bhattacharya. I'm 25 years old, born in Kolkata and brought up in Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, I'm Pragyata Sharan. My age is 21 and I've come from Virar. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Simran Malhotra. I am 19 years old and I belong to the beautiful city of Navi Mumbai. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Anjali Rajmapani, 18 years old and I'm from Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Good evening one and all, I'm Pooja Zaveri. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Mumbai. Thank you.
Something's blowing up over there.
Yeah, I can see
It happens. Anything else?
Yeah, I think they're taking a
We
picture.
have a question and answer round.
Yes, please.
Yes.
चयन कैसे होता है? चयन कैसे कहता है?
Can I hear the mic?
हिंदी।
Hello?
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Hello?
चयन कैसे कहता है? चयन या सिलेक्शन? सिलेक्शन कैसे? Yes, he wants.
Hello?
No, that is not working. Yeah.
हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे हिल्टन में इन सब लड़कियों का सिलेक्शन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वॉक, उनका स्टाइल, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस, उनकी प्रेजेंटेशन और उनका इंट्रोडक्शन कैसा था वो देख के किया है। ऑलमोस्ट 200 लड़कियों का हम लोगों ने ऑडिशन किया है और जिनमें से ये बेस्ट थे और सब कुछ देखने के बाद 2 ऑडिशंस लेने के बाद हम लोग ये रिजल्ट पे हैं।
बेसिकली ये लड़कियाँ विरार से या वाशिंग साइड से, कल्याण साइड मेन सिटी से क्यों नहीं लड़कियाँ कम?
सर हमने किसी को मना नहीं किया था रजिस्टर करने के लिए, नहीं है उनमें से, तो बॉम्बे से भी डेफिनेटली रजिस्ट्रेशन थी लेकिन ये बेस्ट थे।
आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे से आना चाहिए लड़कियाँ तो
बिल्कुल सर, हमने इन्विटेशंस लाइक वी हैव टेकन एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर बॉम्बे, ऑल ओवर अदर स्टेट्स, सो एवरीबॉडी वाज वेलकम टू द ऑडिशंस। एक लड़की भी थी जो दिल्ली से भी आई थी लेकिन बाय लक नहीं सिलेक्ट हो पाई।
मेरा सवाल निशिता और एंडी से है। एंडी, आप दोनों के लिए फैशन की डेफिनेशन क्या है और ये लड़कियों में मतलब ऐसी क्या 2 क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए जो मिस मुंबई में होनी चाहिए?
Hello. Yeah. So the 2 qualities I think the girls should possess is one that they should be confident in their own skin. I don't think they should be fake or anything. They should be themselves in front of the camera, not in front of the camera. So that's the first quality, and the second quality is they should have confidence in themselves first and then others. So if they are confident enough, I think they can conquer the world.
I agree with you, and to add to that, मुझे लगता है कि आजकल पैजेंट्स होते हैं और बहुत सारी लड़कियां चाहती हैं कि मैं पैजेंट में जाऊं, पर उनको बहुत सारी ऐसी क्वालिटीज़ नहीं पता होती, जैसे कि चलना कैसा है। बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है, हाँ चलना हम सब चलते हैं, एवरीडे चलते हैं, पर रैंप पे चलना वो बहुत एक अलग अंदाज होता है, एक अलग तरीके का चलना है। और वो अदा, वो जो नज़ाकत है जो लड़कियों में होनी चाहिए जो पैजेंट में आने के लिए, वो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। दूसरी बात होगी इनर ब्यूटी। इनर ब्यूटी एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि जब कोई बात करता है, जब कोई कुछ कहता है, पता चलता है कि वो अंदर से वो कैसे हैं, मतलब उनकी पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है। पर्सनैलिटी यानी कि उनके चाल चलन, तौर तरीके, उनका कल्चर, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें अगर परफेक्ट होंगी तभी जाके आप आगे जाके मुंबई का नाम रोशन करोगे। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो सब लड़कियाँ यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से मैंने अभी इनका इंटरव्यू कर चुका हूँ, इनका 2 क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछ चुका हूँ सबको, और इनका फैशन क्वेश्चन जो है वो तो आप देख सकते हैं। पर एक लड़की के जो जूते हैं ना, वो जूते जो है ना बहुत अच्छे हैं, फैशन बहुत अच्छा फैशन है। कहाँ से हो आप? खारगर का फैशन सबसे बेस्ट है, ठीक है, फैशन हो गया नहीं। और आई थिंक जिस तरीके से इन्होंने अपने खुद आउटफिट चूज किए हैं, खुद अपना मेकअप किया है, तो इट्स वेल डन, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल होता है ये सब करना एंड इतना अच्छा दिखना। सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस गर्ल्स फॉर टॉप 16 एंड आई होप यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
ब्यूटी की डेफिनेशन क्या है आप लोगों के लिए? व्हाट इज ब्यूटी मीन्स टू यू?
Well, for me, beauty means, I don't think beauty is the outer beauty that you show or the mascara that you put, but I think it's the soul that matters. अगर आप अंदर से, if you're a really good person, that reflects on your face, that reflects when you're talking to anybody. So I think the definition for beauty is being you and carrying yourself the way you are.
Beauty for me, I think you're thinking about inner beauty.
Yes.
I think inner beauty is a bit, yes, of course, having inner beauty is very important. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अंदर से हसीन होना चाहिए, दिल अच्छा होना चाहिए, you know. But beauty for me is a feeling. It's how you feel. Because it doesn't matter what you look like. It matters how you feel and how you present yourself. If you feel good, not overconfident, not overzealous, but just right. That's beautiful.
निश्चित ही आगे चल के ये लड़कियों को सीरियल में या फिल्मों में काम करने का मौका मिल सकता है?
Well, yes, definitely. More than that, we as an association with Mr. Harmeet Singh, we hope we can we are going to train them for basically national beauty pageant, and also they are going to get serials and TV shows and photo shoots.
सर इसका आंसर मैं देना चाहूँगा। ये लड़कियाँ जो जीतती हैं, जो नहीं भी जीतती हैं, इन सबके प्रोफाइल्स हम लोग प्रोडक्शन कंपनीज को भेजते हैं, प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस को भेजते हैं, और इन्हें सीरियल के भी चांसेस मिलते हैं। और हमारी और भी पैजेंट्स हैं जहाँ से लड़कियाँ निकल के सीरियल्स में आ चुकी हैं, रियलिटी शोज में आ चुकी हैं। उसकी लिस्ट और नेम्स उनके मैं आपको डिस्क्लोज करूँगा थोड़ी देर में।
Any other questions?
Oh, there's a question over here.
Yeah.
I have a question for Nishita.
Yes.
What are your plans after Miss Mumbai?
What are your plans after Miss Mumbai?
For the contestants?
Yeah.
Well, okay, for the contestants, right? Yeah. So like I said, we are going to train them for national pageant. So hopefully we disclose that soon. Moreover, like the other person, national pageants and represent India soon.
Any tips? यार टिप्स तो यही है कि come with your best foot forward. मैंने उनको टिप्स दे दी हैं एक्चुअली। हर एक को मैं इंडिविजुअली जाके मिला हूँ और मैं हर एक इंडिविजुअल को मैंने अलग अलग एडवाइस दी है। तो आई थिंक उनके लिए वो छोड़नी चाहिए क्योंकि my favorite now, as of now, I don't actually have one favorite. I have many favorites. There's 16 of them.
Okay, I just want to ask one question to ma'am.
Sure.
Yeah, do you think, my name is Nikita, I'm from...
Hello Nikita.
Yeah, hi. Style for every girl from. I think all the girls are really beautiful. Do you think handling criticism is a criteria for you to select Miss Mumbai?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question please?
Handling criticism
Okay.
is a criteria for you to select Miss Mumbai. The way she handles criticism, the girls.
Well, that's one of the quality that you represent yourself. So, like if
Okay, see, if like suppose Andy sir gives any tips or criticizes, a fair criticism, I mean.
correct.
So, how she reacts to that? Is that a criteria for you to select Miss Mumbai?
How she reacts to that criticism?
Yes,
No.
in a sense, takes it in a way.
I think it depends upon the person. If she takes it in a good way, I think it's better for her because all experienced people here.
I'll answer the question. Okay, if for instance a girl can't take constructive criticism, then that shows in her personality that perhaps she's not able to learn, grow, and then perhaps not proceed further in any competition, whether it's a pageant or anything in life. I think someone like myself, I get constructive criticism every day. Everybody in India has an idea that the way someone else should be. That is normal. I'll walk in from the airport. Arey, you put on. That's the first thing I hear. गूंजती है आवाज. Put on, put on, put on, put on. क्योंकि I think ये एक चीज है कि बस हाँ हम वो आपके ऊपर कमेंट मारेंगे. हम पता नहीं भटूरे बन जाएंगे पर आपको बोलेंगे आपने पुट ऑन कर लिया है, राइट? ये तो एक आम चीज है. तो आई थिंक एज एन इंडियन इफ यू कैन नॉट टेक कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म देन तो घर पे बैठो, एयरफोन लगाओ और कहीं और बच जाना. But I think it's important that any girl in any competition, whether it's a pageant or whether it's going to work, that's a competition. If you can't take constructive criticism, you're not able to grow, you're not able to learn, you won't be able to. If you think you know everything already and your cup's already full, then you can't absorb anything, and therefore there's no point you being here.
Thank you. And how much hard work each girl has to pay to reach here? Approximately 6 months or 1 year.
Okay.
What sort of training?
So can you please repeat your question?
He's asking like how much time have you been training them already, or how long have they had to?
सर अभी तक हमारे सिर्फ ऑडिशंस हुए हैं. हमारी ट्रेनिंग कल से चालू होगी. हमारे ट्रेनर्स हैं जो इन्हें कोरियोग्राफी सिखाएंगे, वॉक करना सिखाएंगे, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होगी इनकी, प्रॉपर टेबल एथिकेट्स होंगी, कैसे बोलना है, कैसे चलना है, कैसे स्टेज पे आंसर करना है, ये सब हमारे यहाँ से सिखाया जाएगा.
एक मिनट, क्या ना?
Yes.
हेलो, बहुत सही सवाल है आपका, परंतु इसका जवाब एक लाइन में नहीं हो सकता. आज ये जो लड़कियां पीछे खड़ी हैं, ये 6 महीने का या 1 साल का हार्डवर्क नहीं है. ये बचपन से जो उम्मीद, ड्रीम इन्होंने अपने पास पाला हुआ है, उसके लिए की हुई कड़ी मेहनत, जो कम से कम 7-8 साल, क्योंकि सपने को अपने साथ बड़ा करना यह सबसे बड़ी मेहनत है. तो ये इन्होंने पूरा किया, और इस मेहनत के हमने 2 ऑडिशंस लिए, और 2 ऑडिशंस बहुत टफ थे, और उसको उन्होंने प्रेजेंट करके अपने आप को वहां से यहाँ तक आई है. सो ये जो सपना उन्होंने पाला हुआ है, उसकी ये शुरुआत है. लेट्स होप ये ऐसी हार्ड वर्क करती रहेंगी और अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ेंगी. थैंक यू.
एंडी, मेरा सवाल आपसे यहाँ पे
कहो हे प्रभु, या बिग बॉस
फॉलो कर रहे इस साल के बिग बॉस को.
यू नो, मैं हकीकत बताता हूँ.
आपने किसी पड़ोसी के बारे में बजाया है?
देखो, मैं तो जो मेरे पड़ोसी हैं अभी भी हैं. इनफैक्ट अभी मेरा घर शिफ्टिंग हो रहा है. सच में हो रहा है. मेरी सारी चीजें बक्से में रखी हुई हैं. इनफैक्ट मैंने बहुत सारे पड़ोसियों से इश्यूज हुए हैं बहुत सारे. तो नहीं, पर आई थिंक जहाँ तक मेरा टीवी है ना, टीवी नहीं लगा तो मतलब ऑन ही नहीं हुआ. इनफैक्ट मैंने देखा ही नहीं कोई एपिसोड यार, अभी तक देखा ही नहीं. मैंने सिर्फ ओपनिंग देखा था, और वो भी क्योंकि मुझे किसी ने भेजा था फोन पे. अभी देखा ही नहीं इस तरह से, अभी मैं देखूंगा. अभी मुझे कैचअप करना पड़ेगा पूरा हफ्ता. सोचो मेरे क्लिक्स जब शुरू हो जाएंगे ना कि कब क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, देन विल सी. बट या लेट्स सी. बिग बॉस इज ऑलवेज गोना बी. देखो, पहले भी जैसे अभी सीजन 10 हुआ था, सब ऐसे बोल रहे थे नहीं कंटेस्टेंट क्या यार, ये क्या हो गया. अब भी ऐसा बात सुनने में आ रहा है कि सब बोल रहे हैं कि कंटेस्टेंट कुछ आस नहीं लिए, बस 2, 3, 4, 5 ठीक है. तो फिर उसके बाद जब उनके बारे में जान पहचान होगी, फिर लोग बोलेंगे हाँ वो अच्छा है, वो ठीक है, ये अच्छी बोल रही है, ये सही कर रही है. सो आई थिंक उनको चांस देना चाहिए थोड़ा, और उनको थोड़ा फैलने दो, बनने दो जो है, उसके बाद देखेंगे ना. तो अभी मैं दूसरे हफ्ते में देखूंगा. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर मैं गया था, मैं दूसरे हफ्ते में टपक गया था पिछले साल. और ओ हेलो, घर के अंदर घुस गया.
ऐसा कोई प्लान है इस बार की
मेरा बिग बॉस के अंदर, घर के अंदर जाना हो सकता है. मैं तो जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करवा देते हैं, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. कह सकते हैं कि इसका मैं जवाब दे नहीं सकता, पर देना भी चाहता हूँ पर नहीं दे सकता. दे भी रहा हूँ और नहीं भी दे रहा हूँ.
एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती है आपको?
हाँ, एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं, हमेशा एक्सपेक्ट करो. बिग बॉस में कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंडी भी घर के वापस अंदर जा सकता है. इट्स पॉसिबल. आई एम नॉट कंफर्मिंग. not confirming. बिग बॉस बुलाएंगे, मैं नहीं चाहूंगा. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. बुलाएंगे तो जाएंगे. Of course. Enjoy. And their teas and coffee.
Who's always taught me, and I think that's the reason why I'm here today. Also, being a winner of Miss Tiara India under the directorship of Mr. Hrishikesh Miraskar and Rekha Miraskar. I'm going to represent India at Miss Tourism Universe in Philippines. Hopefully, I go there and I come here with flying colors.
I hope your question is over. You want to ask anything else?
We'll have a group interview now.
Okay.